Hello everyone and welcome to another video brought to you by Hattie Shack. I know it's been a while since I made a video, but life's a little crazy right now. We got a new puppy and still getting potty trained, so haven't really had the time, and my little son is still getting potty trained, so been a little busy, but I'm going to try to bring these as much as I can. I found another great site. I've actually known of this site for a couple of years now, for a while actually, for like 10 years. And I stopped using it for a while, but then I came across it again and I forgot how much fun it is and how much you can actually earn from this website. So the website is called SliceThePie.com, and this website allows you to earn by reviewing products. Like you can review music, you can review videos, you can review different products like makeup, clothes. It's pretty cool. So I'm going to walk you through the website, what it says on here and exactly what it does. Then I'm going to log in and show you how it exactly works and how much you could possibly earn through this platform. So this is what you'll see when you first get to the website. It's fairly simple. It says, what is SliceThePie? SliceThePie is the largest paid review site on the internet. You earn cash for every review you leave. Your feedback on tracks, clothing, and lots more goes directly to help artists, record labels, and brands make decisions. Yeah, there's 64 million reviews submitted, over $7 million earned. So this is going to be kind of a short video because this is a fairly simple project, easy to use, and not really much to go over, but I'm just going to give you an idea of how to use it and what to do. So let's log in real quick and I'll show you what the website looks like. So after you've logged in, the site will look like this. Check back every day because there's new reviews all the time. As of right now, I don't have any fashion reviews, mobile reviews, or homeware reviews. It'll change often too, like there'll be video reviews and a bunch of other things. Right now we can do music. But to use this website, you're going to need to sign up and see these little stars right here. This is depending on how good your reviews are, you'll get more stars. The more stars you have, the higher your earnings will be. When you're ready to withdraw, you're going to have to use your PayPal email address to withdraw, but you'll also need to use that same email to sign up. So don't forget that. Sign up with the same email you use for your PayPal account. So I'll show you what a review looks like and then show you how much you make from it. And the more you do, the more you'll make. So I haven't used this in a while, so I'm not going to make as much as I would if I've been using it every day. So let's see. So this one this is a music review. You just got to listen to the song. Okay, and after you listen to the song, you're going to want to write at least 90, listen to at least 90 seconds, then you're going to want to, the more you write, as you see, the more this little bar right here will go up. Once the bar reaches all the way, you can be done, but I suggest making your review as good as possible, as much detail as possible. Talk about the lyrics, talk about the music, talk about the vocals, anything you could possibly think of. And that goes with products too. Always put in as much detail as you possibly can. So let's just do a short review for this one. So let's do a little bit longer. Just for time purposes, I'm going to make this as short as possible. So I just wrote this right here. I enjoyed the way the song started out. The instruments came off strong and kept keeping the song going. I do not understand the language that is being used, but the beat almost makes me not realize. The vocals are decent, but could be a little better. And then you rate it. So we're going to say, that song definitely was my favorite, so we'll say 4. Would you add this song to your playlist? No. Oh yeah, little bit longer. and submit it. See, so that just that little review I did right there got me 8 cents. And then I'll just keep bringing you to new reviews and new reviews. If you get tired of doing music reviews, there are always, every day there's new reviews. So I suggest checking back as often as possible, a couple times a day. But yeah, that's Slice the Pie. If you haven't heard of it, I suggest checking it out. Let me know what you think in the comments. And this platform has been around since 2007, so it is a big name, and it definitely pays. So thanks for watching my video, and I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think of Slice the Pie, and please like, follow, and comment to help my page grow. Alright, peace.